Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Grow More. Today we will discuss about Hindustan Copper. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel so that you don't miss out the next opportunities. And also when you hit the like button, it will help us in getting with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, please like it and subscribe it. So let's talk about Hindustan Copper. So I entered this stock at this level at rupees 1113.20, 113 rupees 20 paisa. The reason for my entry at this point was it was giving a good beautiful triangular breakdown and I was sure with the RSI and other things. So yeah, it was a good entry at this point. But now also we can get a very good opportunity because this stock is forming a flag pattern. The reason why I'm telling this flag pattern, as you can the name suggests, there's a see, you can see this is look like more like a flag, and then this big green candle more like a pole. So yes, still a very good opportunity to add, and yes, I will also add this stock at these levels. So and also here you can see it gave a very beautiful clear breakout at these 127 rupees. It opened at something 129 rupees and closed at 132. On the last closing day it went around 5%, and still we see it's will be on bullish mode because the metal sector is rallying. The past, like other metal companies like Vedanta is gave very good result. You can also check out that video. I will give the link in description, which helped me in earning 12% return in just 3 days. So yeah, that was a decent return, I will say. And yes, for Hindustan Copper, I'm very sure that it will give you a very good decent returns. The first target for us will be around 150, and the second target I will say it will be around 166. When you see its previous highs, it was around something 189. So yes, it has a lot of potential to regain this previous high, I will say. And also the moving averages, the stock is trading above its moving averages. So yes, still it's a good sign. And also the RSI is above around 68. So yes, anything RSI around 60 or above 60 is a good pattern, and you can definitely enter in this stock. And I'm sure that you will get a decent returns. So yes, you can enter in this stock for the targets of first targets of 155 rupees, and then for the second targets of something. Let me check. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, second target of 165, first target of 150. First 150, then 160. So yes, on tomorrow market you can enter in this stock, and for the exit and when we hold, please tune to this channel because I will update you about the exit and when is the right time to accumulate more of this stock, because I'm still very bullish on this stock. And here whatever I tell, I still, whether I still holding this stock or will I buy this stock, then only I will tell. I do not tell those stock which I do not hold or which I'm not gonna buy. So yes, you can definitely enter, and please consider this video as a learning purposes. And if you think it has any value addition to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Our channel is very new, so it needs your support. Put your love on comment section, and please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will come up with a new video soon. Thank you so much.